The person I'm here to honor today is known by most everyone in the building, first and foremost as a friend. She's constantly going above and beyond her duties, both at Hatfield and district-wide. Known for her dedication to safety, precision, teamwork, and fun, it should come as no surprise that this award goes to Miss Christina Hazzard. Miss Christina has worked for the district for 18 years. Anyone who knows Miss Christina knows she takes a great deal of pride in her work all year long. She does an amazing job keeping Hatfield in pristine condition by managing cleaning supplies, maintenance, snow removal, and the grounds. According to North Penn's Director of Facilities, Scott Kennedy, Hatfield is one of the cleanest schools in the district. In fact, mechanics often joke that they could eat lunch in the boiler room because it's so clean. Each day, Miss Christina works to improve and grow both personally and professionally. She has built relationships with all stakeholders and continues to come up with ways to ensure the success of Hatfield's Home and School, evening events by communicating with parent volunteers, streamlining forms, and suggesting ways to enhance event safety. Beyond keeping Hatfield's floors sparkling, Ms. Christina serves in the Custodial Review Committee to help review products and equipment before they're introduced to staff. She also was recently selected to participate in an interview panel to hire new custodians. Ms. Christina has one of the strongest work ethics around, but she doesn't stop there. Ms. Christina is an advocate for Hatfield and its students. She's known for eating lunch with students and allowing them to complete jobs with her. Ms. Christina serves as an informal mentor to struggling students. She helps out with student council by making posters, cleaning rocks for projects, and recently helped facilitate a scarecrow building activity. Each year, Ms. Christina serves as the building representative and cheerleader for Hatfield, and she helps to raise money for the North Penn Educational Foundation fundraiser, and they constantly bring home the win for Hatfield in the amount of money raised and highest level of participation. She serves in Hatfield's Safety Committee and does whatever she can to make staff, students, and parents feel comfortable and safe at school. I have never seen a custodian do all that she does, and for that she should be honored. Christina, your colleagues at Hatfield are in awe of your commitment and passion. It is my pleasure to share this with the district so we can join together in thanking you for all you do. Congratulations.
To thank all of the staff here at Hatfield for always embracing me and allowing me to be such a huge part of these students' lives. Coming to work every day is a blessing, and not many people can say that. I absolutely love what I do, and it's because of all of you. And I would not want to be anywhere else. Thank you.